Hey Katie, my lips seem to be super dry lately. Is there anything you can make for me?
Yeah, Sweet Lips Exfoliating Lip Scrub.
Oh.
So this is a lip scrub recipe that's going to exfoliate your lips, make them really soft. It's going to clean off dead skin, and it's going to be perfect for putting on, make your lips beautiful. So for this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of almond oil, 2 drops of grapefruit, and 1 drop of copaiba essential oil. You'll also want a jar to store it in. Okay? To start, we're gonna mix our half tablespoon of honey and a teaspoon of almond oil. Once those are in, go ahead and mix it until they are smooth. Ta-da! And then we're gonna add the essential oil. So we're gonna add 1 drop of copaiba and 2 drops of grapefruit. So then we'll stir this for about 30 seconds to make sure that essential oil is safely diluted. We always want to dilute an essential oil before we put it on the skin, otherwise it can be irritating. That looks good. So then you can add the sugar, give that a mix until it's well incorporated. So once that's mixed, it'll have an even color like this. It'll kind of be the consistency of wet sand. And then it's ready to be used. Then you want to put it in a sealable container to help keep its freshness, avoid getting any contact with water. Make sure to label it. Okay, can you try it?
Yeah.
And then you just rinse it away, and you'll notice your lips are super soft, perfect for lipstick, super
Ready
smooth,
to go.
super beautiful. Ready to go. So if you're a subscriber, you will get everything you need for this recipe, minus the sugar, but you probably already have that at your house.
So for more recipes just like this, go to simplyearth.com and subscribe to our box.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
Go check us out. See you later.
Thanks for watching. So if you are a subscriber, the oils... Yeah. So if you're a